Hey, you want to create a YouTube channel but you're under 13?
Bad news for you, you cannot.
But if you stick to the end of this video, we can show you how you can create a cool YouTube channel even if you're under 13.
Stay to the end.
Hey, my name is AJ and I'm 10 years old and I have a real gaming channel that keeps growing every single day.
Good job. You want to have the same one?
Well, we're telling you right now how to do it.
So in this video, we're going to show you exactly how we did it, step by step, and you can do the same thing, we promise.
We'll show you tricks to get views, go viral, and grow fast even as a kid.
Yep.
Stick to the end because the stuff we're about to show you, most parents don't even know.
If you're under 13, there are only 2 ways how you can create a YouTube channel without getting banned.
Rip Super Ninja.
Yeah, our previous channel got banned, guys. We've been there, we know.
Yep.
So the first way is your parent must be with you in each video. Yeah, not everyone actually is agreed to do that, so technically it's my channel.
What?
However, there is a second way how you can create videos without showing your face.
It is called faceless content.
You can create shorts, long videos,
and even rants.
It becomes so much popular now.
Yes, sir. If your parents do not agree being in your videos, your editing skills have to be on point.
For all our videos, we're using CupCut Pro, and that's been the life-changing, for sure.
Yeah, even I can use it. I've made a bunch of videos with it.
CupCut Pro is so easy to use and it creates very professional videos, shorts or whatever. It's so easy to use and it helps to make your video viral and outstanding. It has so many different features like text over, voice over.
You can change your voice.
Like for now, it's not me talking or whoever you want to be talking.
Yes, it can even change the effects on your screen, like fire effects, water effects, and cool transitions. It really helped our videos to stand out.
Step 2, pick your niche.
I chose gaming because I love video games. It's always been my hobby. You should always pick something you love to do. You can draw without showing your face. You can do ASMR. Oh, CupCut Pro also has cool ASMR effects.
You should try it. So pick something what you like, which you're not gonna get tired of easily, because there is a third very important step. Step 3, consistency. You have to be consistent, guys. We post videos every week, shorts every day, sometimes even more. Consistency, that's the key for your YouTube channel to grow faster.
Yes, sir. Even if your videos get 3 views, don't stop. Keep being consistent. We've been there. Trust me, we've been there.
No, sometimes we posted a video and we had like 0 or 2 views.
But we never stopped.
Yes, never stop. Remember, even a failure video teaches you something. You're one step closer to your goal.
And then boom, one video took off and you became super viral.
Yeah, like our MCAT short brought us 1,000 subscribers, just like that.
Because we were consistent.
Step number 4, set up your channel like a pro.
Before you start uploading, you actually need to create a YouTube channel.
But if you're under 13, you have to do it through your parents because YouTube is gonna ask you for the age verification. Ask your parents to create a separate Gmail account which you can assign to your YouTube channel.
Here comes the fun part. Pick your channel name.
Yes, that's fun. However, your channel name needs to be unique. So browse around and see if this name is already popped up on YouTube, if it's taken or not. So you want your channel to stand out, so is your name.
Make it short, fun, and relatable what your videos are about. And make sure it's easy to remember.
Yeah.
Once your name is ready, boom!
You got a channel.
Let's go!
Step number 5, guys. Probably the most important step for your YouTube channel to grow.
Work on your video quality.
Oh yes, your video should be outstanding, so everybody wants to watch it. The very first 30 seconds of the video are the most important. If people are not continue watching within those 30 seconds, YouTube thinks your video is not interesting.
That's why I'm saying your editing skills have to be on point, at least for these 30 seconds. Guys, put all of your skills and effort into those first 30 seconds.
It will help your video blow up. So now, after your channel is all set up, do not just post and hope. You actually need to put work on your videos. That's what separates a successful channel from the failure one.
Guys, again, CupCut Pro is an awesome tool to add visuals and sound effects to your video.
Yes, remember those first 30 seconds.
have to be on point.
Yep. We're gonna leave you the link in the description to download CupCut Pro, and highly recommend to get the Pro version. As we said, it has a lot of cool features which certainly make your videos outstanding.
Yeah guys, ask your parents for this awesome gift. It's gonna help your videos a lot.
Oh, by the way, in CupCut Pro you also can create thumbnails because it has a lot of lace overs in the text, it has some different stickers. That's what we use basically. And look at our videos, like tell us, is it good editing or what? By the way, most of those videos AJ edited himself. Alright guys, now you're ready to start your YouTube channel journey. I hope this video was helpful for you.
And remember guys, there are 3 rules for a successful YouTube channel.
Consistency,
Good quality of your video,
and consistency
again.
Never give up on your dream. Even if it's slow in the beginning, keep learning, keep posting, keep growing.
Good luck to you guys, and if you enjoyed this video, please comment down below if it was helpful or if you have any questions.
Just drop a comment guys, okay? You know how it's important to promote the videos, so ciao!
Bye!